We're going to go down, and then at the end of the trip, we're going to do some things down there and have a little lunch, that kind of thing. But basically, you know, just a little common sense out here, you know, don't push each other off the raft, that kind of thing, okay?
This is the front. We got to turn around back.
We've never been birding by boat before, and we're looking forward to it. Have no idea what bird species we're going to see. So we hope to stay a little bit on the dry side.
There's fine. We can take a couple more over here.
We had some, turkey vultures hate the flat. They really like. We had a couple that landed in the field across from us, and it took them 3 days to get off the ground. They would fly around the field, and they'd barely get to the treetops, and they'd land. And the next morning, they'd be down on the ground in the pasture. And it was just cold. We didn't have enough to get the thermals up. They couldn't get up.
The New River Gorge is a wonderful place to bird by boat. It's very quiet, so it's easy to hear the bird songs, and then because the water is calm in this part of the river, it's a great place to maneuver your boat so that you can actually get a visual on the birds too.